Prepositions and their power. Mastering prepositional phrases in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of English grammar, prepositional phrases. This lesson is designed to help you understand how prepositional phrases function in sentences, enhancing your understanding and usage of English. Let's get started. First, let's define what we're dealing with. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun, or a pronoun, to another word in the sentence. Examples of common prepositions include on, in, at, over, under, and from, among others. A prepositional phrase consists of a preposition, its object, which can be a noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause, and any modifiers of the object. For example, in the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat," is a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrases are incredibly versatile in English grammar. They can act as adverbs, adjectives, or noun phrases. 1. When a prepositional phrase acts as an adverb, it modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in the sentence. For instance, in the sentence, "He runs in the park," the prepositional phrase, "in the park," tells us where he runs, modifying the verb, runs. 2. A prepositional phrase can also function as an adjective, modifying a noun or pronoun. For example, in "The girl with the blue scarf is my sister," the phrase, "with the blue scarf," describes the girl, acting as an adjective. 3. Occasionally, prepositional phrases can also function as noun phrases. Consider the sentence, "After dinner, we'll watch a movie." Here, "after dinner" is a prepositional phrase acting as a noun phrase. It is telling us when we'll watch a movie. The best way to understand prepositional phrases is through practice. Here's an exercise for you. Identify the prepositional phrases and their functions in the following sentences. 1. She is reading a book under the tree. 2. He received a gift from his friend. 3. The woman with the red hair is my teacher. 4. We plan to eat dinner at a restaurant. Take your time to identify the phrases and determine whether they're acting as adjectives, adverbs, or noun phrases. That's a wrap for today's lesson on prepositional phrases. They might seem a little complex at first, but with practice, you'll master their use in no time. Remember, prepositions are like the glue that holds the parts of the sentence together, and understanding them is a key step in mastering English grammar. Keep practicing and stay curious, and you'll see your understanding of English blossom. Until next time, happy learning!